Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change email address on PayPal. PayPal allows users to update or change their email address anytime through account setting. Your email address is important because it is used to log in, receive payments and get more notifications from PayPal. So if you change your email or want to use a different one, you can easily add a new email and make it to your primary address. So first open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Simply type down paypal.com and enter it. And over here, once you get into this interface of your PayPal, what you can do is in the top right corner we can find this small setting icon. Select to the setting icon here, and over here you'll get into this account settings. What you can do is on the right hand side we find these emails here. What you can do is you can simply select to this three dot icon and select edit, and over here what you can do is delete this email address and simply add your new email address and select confirm, and it will update your primary email automatically. And changing your email on PayPal is simple and can be done through an account setting by adding a new email and setting it as a primary address. You can update your login information and ensure that all the PayPal notifications and payments are sent to the correct email. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.